आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे पार्ट 4 ऑफ माइक्रोबायोलॉजी एमसीक्यूज जो कि डिफरेंट कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 39, एरिथ्रोसाइट्स विल गेट इट्स इनर एटीपी एनर्जी ओनली बाय ग्लाइकोलाइसिस, क्रेब्स साइकिल, इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट, एचएमपी शंट pathways. So correct answer is option A. Erythrocytes gets its ATP energy by glycolysis process. Question number 40. Virus will contain cell membrane, cell wall, DNA or RNA. So correct answer is option D. Viruses contain either DNA or RNA. Question number 41. The bacterial pili mainly contain carbohydrates, lipids, protein, mineral. So correct answer is option C. The bacterial pili contain pillin protein. Question number 42. The wonder drug of Second World War is produced by algae, fungi, bacteria, plants. So correct answer is option B. The wonder drug of World War II is penicillin, that is obtained from a fungus Penicillium nutatum. Question number 43. The role of bacteria in carbon cycle is photosynthesis, chemosynthesis, breakdown of organic compound, assimilation of nitrogen compounds. So correct answer is option C. Bacteria help in breakdown of organic compounds. Question number 44. Centromere is that part of chromosomes where nucleoli are formed, crossing over takes place, chromatids are attached, necking occurs. So correct answer is option C. Chromatids are attached at the centromere of chromosomes. Question number 45. Somatic cell of adult body are haploid in all except vertebrates, invertebrates, fungi, vascular plants. So correct answer is option C. The somatic cell of adult body of fungus is diploid in nature. Question number 46. Congenital diseases are diseases present at birth, deficiency diseases occurring during life, are spread from one individual to another. So correct answer is option A. Congenital diseases are the diseases that are present at birth. Question number 47. The enzyme needed in biological system for joining two molecules is called diases, diastasis, polymerases, hydrolases. So correct answer is option C. Polymerase enzymes are needed for joining two molecules, for example DNA polymerase and RNA polymerase. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें. Question number 48. The mesosome are the part of plasma membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, Golgi bodies. So correct answer is option A. Mesosomes are the invagination of plasma membrane. Question number 49. All prokaryotes are surrounded by a cell wall except mycoplasma, spirochetes, actinomycetes, methanogenous. So correct answer is option A. Mycoplasma are the prokaryotes that are without any cell wall. Question number 50. The enzyme hydrolyzing the bacterial cell wall is lysosome, reductase, protease, lysozyme. So correct answer is option D. Lysozyme is the enzyme that is used to hydrolyze the bacterial cell wall. Question number 51. Cows can digest the straw because they contain cellulose hydrolyzing microorganism, protein hydrolyzing bacteria, lipid hydrolyzing microorganism, amino acid degrading bacteria. So correct answer is option A. A cow can digest the straw because straw consists of cellulose and microorganisms that are present in the cow. They produce enzyme cellulase that help to digest the cellulose of straw. Question number 52. The nucleus control protein synthesis in the cytoplasm by sending chromatin, a DNA template, messenger RNA molecule, a specialized protein. So correct answer is option C. Nucleus control the protein synthesis by sending messenger RNA molecule to the cytoplasm. Question number 53. The site of energy production in a cell is microbody, chromosome, ribosome, mitochondria. So correct answer is option D. The site of energy production within the cell is mitochondria. Question number 54. Thallikides is present in mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus. So correct answer is option B. Thallikide membranes are present within the chloroplast and these are the sites of photosynthesis. Question number 55. Which one of the following bacteria has found extensive use in genetic engineering work in plants? Clostridium specticum, Xanthomonas oryza, Bacillus coagulans, or Agrobacterium tumefaciens? So correct answer is option D. Agrobacterium tumefaciens is extensively used in plant genetic engineering work. Question number 56. The maximum application of animal cell culture technology today is in the production of insulin, interferon, vaccines, edible proteins. So correct answer is option C. Animal cell culture technology is maximally used to produce vaccine. Question number 57. The bacterial ribosomes are composed of protein and DNA, protein and messenger RNA, protein and ribosomal RNA, protein and transfer RNA. So correct answer is option C. Bacterial ribosomes are composed of protein and ribosomal RNA. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें. Question number 58. The photorespiration involves Calvin cycle, Hatch-Slack cycle, glycolate cycle, Krebs cycle. So correct answer is option C. Photorespiration involves the glycolate cycle. Question number 59. Bioleaching is done by protozoa, bacteria, algae, all of the above. So correct answer is option B. Bioleaching or biomining is the extraction of valuable metals from the low grade ore with the help of bacteria. Question number 60. Inclusion bodies diagnostic of rabies disease are called elementary bodies, Pasteur bodies, Negri bodies, Guarneri bodies. So correct answer is option C. The inclusion bodies that are diagnosed in rabies disease are known as Negri bodies. These are present in the cytoplasm of nerve cells of infected animal. Question number 61. Which of the following genera is most likely to contain organisms that are capable of surviving high temperature? Vibrio, Pseudomonas, Torula, Coxella. So correct answer is option C. Torula are yeast-like fungus. They are mainly used as a source of protein and vitamin, and they have ability to survive high temperature. Question number 62. The major role of minor elements inside the living organism is to act as cofactor of enzyme, building blocks of important amino acid, constituents of hormones, or binder of cell structure. So correct answer is option A. The major role of minor elements inside the living organism is that they act as a cofactor of many enzymes. Question number 63. The apparatus that is used to maintain a continuous culture is chemostat, autostat, thermostat, both A and C. So correct answer is option A. Chemostat is the apparatus that is used to maintain continuous culture. Question number 64. The test that is used to detect the deamination of amino acid by bacteria is Nizler reagent test, proteolytic test, lactose test, Rose-Endol reagent test. So correct answer is option A. Nizler reagent test is used to detect the deamination of amino acid. Question number 65. The diphtheria disease is caused by Corynebacterium, Staphylococcus, Streptococcus, none of these. So correct answer is option A. Diphtheria is caused by Corynebacterium. Question number 66. Koplik spots observed in the mucous membrane is the characteristic feature of the disease rubella, measles, mumps, influenza. So correct answer is option B. Koplik spots are the small spots present in the mucous membrane of the mouth, and they are observed in measles or rubella disease. Question number 67. A bacterium containing prophage is called as lytic, lysogen, litogen, none of these. So correct answer is option B. Bacteria which contain prophage is known as lysogen. Question number 68. The most infectious foodborne disease is tetanus, dysentery, gas gangrene, botulism. So correct answer is option D. Botulism is the most infectious foodborne disease. Question number 69. An example for the common airborne epidemic disease is influenza, typhoid, encephalitis, or malaria. So correct answer is option A. Influenza is a common airborne disease. Question number 70. Viral genome can be incorporated or integrated into bacterial genome. They are known as prophage, temperate phage, bacteriophage, metaphage. So correct answer is option B. Viral genome when incorporated into bacterial genome, then it is known as temperate phage. Question number 71. The rancidity of stored food is due to activity of toxigenic microbe, proteolytic microbe, saccharolytic microbe, lipolytic microbe. So correct answer is option D. The rancidity of stored food is due to the activity of lipolytic microbes such as Clostridium and Pseudomonas. Question number 72. Virion means infectious virus particle, non-infectious particles, incomplete particle, defective virus particle. So correct answer is option A. Virion means infectious virus particle. Question number 73. Virulence of microorganisms can be reduced by attenuation, virulence, inactivation, freezing. So correct answer is option A. The virulence of microorganisms can be reduced by attenuation process. Question number 74. The test that is used to detect the typhoid fever is Vidal test, ELISA test, or Roswiller test, or Western blotting. So correct answer is option A. Vidal test is used to detect the typhoid fever. Question number 77. Acridine dyes are more effective against gram-positive, gram-negative Rickettsia mycoplasma. So correct answer is option A. Acridine dyes are more effective against gram-positive bacteria. Question number 78. In bacteria, pigment bearing structure are chloroplast, protoplast, phaeroplast, chromatophore. So correct answer is option D. Chromatophores are the pigment bearing membrane bond structures present in bacteria. Question number 79. The procedure of differential staining of bacteria was developed by AH Gram, HC Gram, NC Gram, HA Gram. So correct answer is option B. HC Gram developed the differential staining procedure. Question number 80. The intermediate group of pathogens between bacteria and viruses, which are intracellular parasites, are called Mycoplasma, Rickettsia, prions, virusoids. So correct answer is option B. Rickettsia are the intermediate pathogens between bacteria and viruses, and they are also intracellular parasites.